Back down on 4. Alright, there we go.
Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we have today is this Falle Dimple lock. I picked it up at a local store here, and we're going to pick it and decode it using this 2-in-1 pick and decoder. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and see what we have.
Here's the back. Doesn't say much. This is a Dimple lock. This is what the key looks like. It's actually a pretty hefty key. Here's the keyway. Not sure what that sticker is. 70mm Falle, made in China. Okay, let's see what we got.
Okay, well let me get this thing put into a vise.
Okay, so I've set this tool up. So here, need to zoom in on here. So this here shows what pin you're on. Okay, this is only a 5-pin lock. This is set up for 6, but so that shows what pin you're on, so you can advance the next pin. And then here it shows the pin depth, or the cut. It goes from 0 in increments up to 9. Okay, I didn't have a guide that came with the tool, so I ended up getting a key blank right here and just splitting the key blank down. And what that does, that aligns the pick in the keyway where it needs to be. Okay, so let's get this going. Okay, now that I'm all set up here, let's go ahead and get this set up. Alright, so you can see how that works right there. It just goes on in. Okay. Alright. Heavy tension right there. Okay. Pin 1. Pin 1. Set. Those pins go all the way up to the other side of the keyway, so it's hard to get on top of them without like driving all the way past it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming back to 4. Okay, 4 is set. 3. Come back up to 1. 1 would come out. Back down on 4. Alright, there we go. So, with it open, we can go through each one of these and look at the right here, and then see the key depths. 2, 1's a 1, 2's a 2, 3's a 2, 4 looks like a 0, and then 5's a 3. Okay. Well, that's all I have for you today. Some of these keyways for these Chinese locks, they're non-standard, so I didn't have a pick guide to go in here, so I just got a key blank, cut it in half and used that. But worked pretty good. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much.